Okay, so without any further delay, let's start today's session. Today is day 15 of 60-day challenge for Zero to Hero English learning journey. And today we will be discussing about causative verb. Causative verb, if you simply define it, causative means someone which causes something, and verb means verb. So a verb that causes something is called causative verb. Okay, that's so easy of that, and let's get deep into it. Let me first share the mind map in the group so everyone can look at it and have a clear idea that what we are going to discuss today. In the mind map, remember the examples of have are not given. So I will be mentioning examples of have separately. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we have causative verb. Causative verb is a 60-day spoken English challenge, day 15. So let's start. What is causative verb? Causative verbs are special actions word that show when one verb person or thing causes another person or thing to do something. Okay, when something causes someone else or something else to do something, to force it to do something or allow it to do something is called causative verb. Think of them as making it happen verbs. They tell us that someone is responsible for another action taking place. Today we will explore. Okay. Next, there are four type or four total four causative verbs. Okay, you can see in the mind map as well. First one is make, second one let, third one have, fourth one get. First one make. What is making? For example, I make my employee work harder. Means I'm forcing them to work harder. They are not doing it by themselves. I'm forcing them to do something. They do not have any choice. They have to do it. Okay, so force or require someone to do something means I'm forcing them. Okay. Second one, let. Let means allow someone to do something. I let my employee to take the leave, right? So I'm allowing them. They asked me for something, and now it's my will that I can give permission or not. So it's let. I will not let you leave. Okay, means I'm not giving you permission to leave. You asking me permission, but I'm not giving you permission. On the second says I will let you leave means you will ask me and I will give you the permission. So let means giving permission in positive or negative both the sense. Third one is have means to arrange or something to be done. Okay, I have made cake. I have uh, I have prepared the whole decoration. Okay, so arranging and to be done. And fourth one is get, to persuade or convince someone to do something. Okay, get it and get it done quickly, or let me get it, or can you get it for me? Okay, so it's like that, to persuade someone. Okay, let's get deep into it in the next upcoming slides. First one is make, to force or require. When I'm forcing someone to do something, simple structure is make plus object plus base verb. Okay, she made me finish my homework. Okay, made, make made similar thing. You have to go with the three forms of verb. I hope you know it, right? Run, ran, run, read, read. So it's like that. So make, we can use made here. So she made me finish my homework. Made is make, object is me, finish is base verb. Okay, so she made me finish my homework. My boss makes me arrive on time. The teacher made him apologize. In all of these cases, if you see clearly, no one is asking for permission. No one is having the free will. They are forced to do it. She made me finish my homework, right? She forcefully made me finish my homework. My boss makes us arrive on time. My boss forces me to arrive on time. So makes shows no choice. Okay. This is just a short example, short explanation. Let's see the next one. Don't worry, I will be covering everything a little by little. Uh, Allow or permit. What is let? Let means to allow or permit. Let plus object plus base verb. Again, he let me borrow his car. Let, object is me, borrow is base verb. Okay. So he let me borrow his car. He is allowing me to borrow his car. My parents let me stay out late. My parents allowed me. to say stay out late, right? You can let me use your car. Can you let me use your car? Can you allow me to use your car? Use your phone, sorry. Use your phone. So let is equal to allow. Okay, let is equal to permit. Whenever we are asking permission or giving permission, we use let. Okay. Have is on the other end. Now it's the story little changes. Arrange for something. Structure is have plus object plus base verb. Professional service, delegating task or making arrangement, we use have. For example, I had the mechanic fix my car. Here I'm arranging the mechanic to fix something, right? So again, the arrangement is here. So I had the mechanic fix my car. Had, have had, mechanic is object, base verb is fix. Okay. So I had the mechanic fix my car. Someone else does the work. This is the example of someone else is doing the work. As we are discussing about, causative verb means getting things done by someone or some forcing someone to do something. So this is an example of someone else is doing your work. Second one is delegating task, means asking someone to do something. Okay, she had her assistant schedule the meeting. She had her assistant schedule the meeting. Here you can again see the she had her assistant means she had a assistant who were scheduling the meeting for her. Like she herself was not doing it, her assistant was doing it, right? So here that's why we use had. Now coming to the third, like making arrangement, organizing something to be done. Okay, like preparation, decoration, collaboration, anything can be there. So we will have the tailor after the dress. We will have the tailor after the dress. After the dress means working on it, right? Like for example, just for fun, I'm saying many times we say the boys are after that girl. That means boys are trying to get that girl, right? So they are working for it. And if I say I'm after that job, means I'm trying to get that job. So after means working for something, right? Doing effort for something. So here tailor after the dress means I'm forcing the tailor to work for the dress, right? We will have the tailor after the dress. So we will have here have means arrangement. Okay, have means arrangement or arrangement. So I will be arranging a tailor to do something. So I will use we will have the tailor after the dress. Another example can be we will have another admin for the session. For example, today Shraddha ma'am is not here. So Shraddha ma'am can say you, we will have the Harsh, we will have Harsh or we will have another admin for the session. So she will be arranging another admin, right? So here we use have. Fourth one, get. Get means persuade or convince. Okay, let us see the example first, then the clear picture will be clear to you. I got my friend to help me move. Okay, I got my friend to help me move. Here, I convinced my friend to do something for me. I'm not forcing him. I'm not asking him, right? I'm not buying him, right? I'm not I'm not letting him. I'm not making him, and I'm not having him. But I got him. Like I make him to do something. So I got my friend to help me move. Got is get, object is my, and my friend, and base verb is move, help to move. Okay, and next one is she got him to buy her flowers. Like she got him to buy her flowers. She did not force him, she did not ask him, and she did not have had him, right? So she got him, like she persuaded him, convinced him. Okay, can you get John to call me? Like can you get John to call me means can you persuade him, can you make him to do it, but not in the way that I'm forcing him. It's the way I will convince him. For example, after this I will say, hey, every one of you who will be listening to this session, I will be giving this thing free for you. Okay, so if I say something like this thing free for you, now I asked you for something, but I'm not forcing you for something, but also I'm convincing you to do it, right? So I'm not forcing you, but I'm trying to convince you that instead of me asking you or getting your permission, you yourself want to do something for me. Then we use got. Okay, got or get. So these are the four: make, which means forcing someone. Let means allowing someone or giving permission. Have means arranging someone, or get means persuade someone. Okay. You can, this is the last thing. I will be giving the PDF to you guys. You can take screenshot. This is the whole summary. Okay. Now let's talk about some, what do we say? Preparation, practice. So let's go into practice screen. Let me check. Where is it? Cognitive, cognitive. I'm not able to see it. Wait. Share screen. Okay, now it's visible. And here you can see we have this main thing of today, main villain of the story, a causative verb. Okay, so causative verb, we will learn its definition, four main causes, and structure. So first of all, definition. What is causative verb? And action words. Okay, one person thing causes another to do something. Make it happen verb. Someone responsible for another action. So simply the definition of causative verb is something that can make other person do something or other thing to do something. Okay, so that is called causative verb. What are four types of causative verb? Make, let, have, and get. In make, what we learn today, we learn that in make there is no choice. The simple structure is make plus object plus base verb. Example can be made me finish my homework. Boss makes us arrive on time. Okay, she made, yeah, here she is missing, so she made me finish my homework. Okay, so let's go to next one. Let means giving permission. Simple structure is let plus object plus base verb. Examples are uh, will you let me borrow your car? I will be editing this. I guess this is not written well. Will you let me borrow your car means I am asking the permission. Parent let me stay out late. Okay, my parents let me, here my is missing. My parents is today the mind map is not made well, I guess. Parent let me stay out late. My parents let me stay out late. So here again let means taking permission. Third one is have. For the have I have given the examples in the chat box. Okay, so the meaning is organizing or giving organizing service, or you can say arranging. The structure is have, object, base verb. What can be the context? Context can be professional service like mechanic fixing your car, plumber fixing your pipes, serviceman doing service of your AC. Delegating tasks means assistant schedule meeting, or maybe my colleague is working on a project that was mine. Those can be things. And third one is making arrangements like tailor after dress, tutor after students, me after job. Anything can be there, right? Or admin after the session. Or next one is get. Get means to persuade someone, to convince someone, using convincing power to make someone do something. Simple is get, object, to, base verb. Only verb using to. Okay. Here, yeah, one thing I missed earlier, that to is required before the base verb. Okay. My friend to help me move. I got my friend to help me move. So got, here get becomes got. Object is my friend, and to will be applied here, and then the base verb help. Okay. So got my friend to help. Got plus my friend plus to plus help. Get plus object plus to plus base verb. Okay, it goes like this. Again, got him to buy. Got plus object plus to plus base verb. So got him to buy. So this is how you can use all these words. So anywhere if you see make, let, have, get, you can have an idea. Okay, this is a causative verb. Now let's see the structure. Main object plus base verb. For the let, object plus base verb. For have, object plus base verb. For get, object plus to plus base verb. Okay, to will be added. So this was for the mind map thing. Let's just come out of it. Next, let's do a little quiz. Are you getting bored, guys? Everything fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's play a quiz. Can you see the quiz on the screen?
Sir, please zoom a bit because we are using phone, so it's very smaller font.
Okay, now it's fine.
Yeah,
Is
it's
it
a bit.
visible? Okay. So the first quiz, according to the source material, what is the primary function of a causative verb? Can anyone tell what is the primary function of a causative verb? To express permission or possibility, to describe the action performed by, to link the subject of sentence to a noun, to show the one person thing responsible for another action taking place.
D.
Hint is okay, D. Yeah, it's right. The hint was consider the name causative and implies about the cause of an action. So D was the right option. That means causative verb is to cause something to happen or make someone to do something. Second question, which of the four main causative verbs is the only one that requires to before base verb in structure? We just
Get.
discussed this thing.
Get.
Yeah, get. In only get we use to, right? For everyone else we do not need it. Third one, a manager tells an employee, I need to have the quarterly reports finished by Friday. What does the use of have imply in this context? The manager is delegating. The manager has given the employee permission. The manager will force the employee. The manager had to persuade the employee.
According to
But
me, C, I guess.
C, you sure?
No, sorry. Like force. Make is for forcing. I'm confused, sir.
That is A1, A.
Yeah. See,
He is
here
giving.
manager is not forcing. See, what I said, I need to have. Manager is using have, right? So for have, what we said, arranging, right? Can you see anything arranging here?
Yes,
And you are
Option.
right.
the
Yeah.
manager is. Yeah.
Option A. Okay. Have for arranging. Remember it. Who was it? Wait. I guess Aman. Yeah, Aman, you was right. Which sentence correctly uses the causative verb to mean allow or permit? Which of these is for permission? She got
Yes.
her flat. Despite in rain, the coach let him. The comedian made. The director had. Which one?
Option B.
Yes. Let is for the allowing or giving permission. Okay. We did not mark it. Next. Choose the correct phrases to complete the sentence. The strict librarian made the noisy students dash the library. To leave, left, leave, or leaving. The strict librarian made.
Option
Leave,
1,
to leave.
to leave.
Okay. Yeah. Let's see the hint again for the other members. Remember to specify grammatical structure that follows the verb make. If every one of you remember in the make thing, we mentioned that to is required. In everything else, to was not needed. But for the make, right? Here, made is the other form of make. Okay. So do not get confused by make. Made, it is just the another form of make. So we will use to. Wait. Uh,
You use to
I
for get. You told to for get.
wait, wait. Wait. Maybe I missed. Wait a bit. Okay, sorry. It was for get. And have make. Okay, the make was the first one. Sorry, my mistake. So here it's C. The structure make is make plus object plus verb. My mistake here. This one is C. Next one, if you successfully convince, here we are asking about convincing. Okay, remember what was for the convince? A reluctant friend to see a film with you. Which causative verb will be best describe the situation? I made, I let, I got, or I had. Here we are talking about convincing.
I got, sir.
Okay. What about others?
According to me, option D.
I made my.
Okay. Okay. So first one, we will say about I made my. So if we are forcing him to do something, we will use make. Okay. Uh, Another thing is successfully convincing. Here we are talking about convincing. So we are not we are not forcing him to do it. We are convincing him. Okay, but this one can be tricky, right? What will happen if we had forcefully convinced him? So this can be tricky, but let's go with the definitions of each. So first one is made. Made we use some when we are forcing someone to do something, but here we use convince, so we cannot use a. Let's go to another option, that is let. Okay, so when we use let, we allow him to do something, or we allow someone to do something. So are we allowing our friend to come with us? No, he did not wanted to come, but we are convincing. So he did not had this intention that he want, so he is not asking our permission, so B cannot be there. Let's jump into the C. I got my friend. Got means to convince. This can be right. Okay, and we also use to in it. So got, with got we use to. So this one seems right. And the D1, and D1 is had. Had is the another form of have, and we use it when we organize it, when we arrange it. Okay, so if we were had a friend to go with the movie, but that friend was not available, that's why we convinced this friend to come with for the movie. Then we use head because we are arranging him, but we are not arranging him. So clearly here C option should be right. Let's see if it's right. What do you guys think? C will be right or not? Even I don't know.
Yes, sir. She will be right.
Okay, C is right. This time I was a bit skeptical that what if it will mark A, because we can force him as well, right? Successfully convince. We can force him because here reluctant was also written. So I was little curious about the question myself, that it can be make, because reluctant, the friend was reluctant and we are forcing him. But it was again C, because we went with the descriptions. We went with the explanations of each of them. Let's go to last questions of the day. What is the key difference in meaning between make and get? Can anyone tell the difference between make and get without looking at the options? What do you think? What is the difference between make and get?
Make for
Sir,
forcing.
Hmm. And get for? And what is get?
sir, we use get to persuade or convince someone to do something.
Right. Right. So let's see significant. They both can be no. Make is about arranging. No. Make is using give permission. No. So clearly the option C is there. Make implies forcing, and while get implies persuading. Okay. So we'll use this one. That is right. And then we have already completed it. This was my score, guys. You all are 100% scale, but I missed one at one place. I was just busy with something else. So I got 6 out of 7. You guys got 7 out of 7. So we can review our quiz. Here we were wrong. So that was for the day, guys. Anyone have any question?
Sir, question is not related to session. It is like every day are you taking this class or some days only?
See, every day, Miss Shraddha takes your class. I takes the class only when she is not available. And she takes class about 2 p.m. in the afternoon, and I take class whenever I have to take. I take sometimes 9 a.m., sometimes 10 a.m.
All right, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome. Anyone else have any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's end the session today.